Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Prayer is the best weapon to win our unseen battles. And with this, we will start our social study with our next topic, that is, what does diversity add to our lives? In this, In this, we have studied about the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do, who are become friends, and you might have friends you are very different from your friend. Probably you are having a different kinds of food, different kind of clothings, different kind of festivals, and different kind of religion as well. Now, what the topic is saying. See, by the example of the storytellers, writers, they gave us point that due to people lived in different, they observed different society and culture, thus they were able to write different types of stories. Second, if we force them to live in the same environment and same society and gave them same type of upbringing, then they couldn't be so different at all and maybe wrote similar stories. Third, thus due to this diversity, we have many options in our life, and this I will clear you with the example. See, everybody likes reading and hearing stories and adventures about different animals, peoples, and even ghosts. These books give the information about the places, kings, animals, and different things that went through that particular period. Imagine if all the storytellers and writers that you have heard and read so far were forced to live in a place where all people lived, then what will happen? Suppose you have, I'm giving you the, I'm telling you, you will wear the same two colors like red or white. I tell you, you will eat same kind of food, maybe the potatoes, or you will get same type of animals like deer or cat. Okay, and I will give you the entertainment like snakes and ladders. In that condition, what you will do, you will get confused, means you will not get a option that you will choose the other type of dresses, food, animals, or any other game. Okay, in that situation, what you will do, you will do same kind of work which I am giving you. Suppose you are living in a place, okay, like you are living in a India, suppose, and all the means all the states or all the countries, they are wearing the same color of dress, they are eating same color of food, uh, same type of food, or they are matlab means they are take care of same type of animals, or they are entertaining or playing game in a same type. In that condition, you did not get any other option to do anything. Okay, in that situation, what you will do, you cannot imagine to the other things. आप सब सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ के बारे में सोचोगे या देखोगे। वाई? बिकॉज आप उसी कंडीशन पे रह रहे हो। आप जिस कंडीशन में रहोगे, सपोज़ अगर आपको हर चीज़ हर जगह सिर्फ एक जैसी दिखाई देगी, तो आपकी इमेजिनेशन सिर्फ उतनी ही जगह पर बन पाएगी। आप उससे आगे का ऑप्शंस के बारे में नहीं सोच पाओगे। आपको वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं जिसके लिए आप सोचो। तो आप क्या करोगे, आप सेम टाइम की स्टोरी लिखोगे कि लाइक वी आर वेयरिंग अ सेम ड्रेस, वी आर वेयरिंग मीन्स वी आर ईटिंग अ सेम काइंड ऑफ फूड, वी आर टेक केयर ऑफ सेम टाइप ऑफ एनिमल, वी मीन्स आप एक ही चीज़ को लिखते जाओगे क्योंकि आपके पास कोई और ऑप्शंस है ही नहीं. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया. In this, India is a country of many diversities. We speak different languages, have various types of food, wear different types of clothes, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions, which I'll show you in the picture. See here, there are different foods, festivals, and different type of religions or languages as well. In this, we have a different gender, religion, languages, regions. Okay. Now, next we will talk about how do we explain diversity. In this, about 2000 years ago, people traveled from one part to the world to another in ships, horses, or camels, or on foot in ancient time. But now it has become easier for us to move due to buses, airplanes, trains, etc. When we move from one place to another, we adjust to that place by acquiring their culture, that is, their views, ideas, languages, etc. But why they needed to travel, why we are matlab means why we are having a need to be travel from one place to another, why, in search of new lands, or for new places to settle, or for trade with other people, maybe due to famine and drought as they could not get enough food to eat, or in search of work because of war. Now, when they move to other places, few start staying in their old ways and few changes a little. Thus, their languages, food, music, religion become mixture of old and new culture, which is something new and different. Similarly, diversity also come about when the people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. For an example, living near the sea is different from living in the mountain area. People not only different in clothing and eating habit but also different in their work. What happened? आप इन सिचुएशन के हिसाब से आप क्या करते हो, सपोज़ आपके पास ऐसी ही कोई सिचुएशन आती है व्हेन यू आर स्टेइंग एट अदर प्लेस, आप जहाँ पर रह रहे हो उस जगह को छोड़ के यू आर ट्रैवलिंग टू द न्यू प्लेस एंड इन दैट प्लेस यू विल गेट अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्लोथिंग, फूड, लैंग्वेज, रिलीजन. ओके, आपको ये सब चीज़ें जहाँ पर आप पहले रहते थे उस जगह से आपको नई जगह पर ये सारी चीज़ें अलग मिल रही हैं. इन दैट सिचुएशन आप क्या करोगे, अपनी पुरानी चीज़ें भी करोगे और नई चीज़ों को अडॉप्ट भी करोगे, और इन दोनों चीज़ों को मिक्सचर करके आप एक नई क्या बनाओगे, सिचुएशन बनाओगे, एक डिफरेंट तरीका बनाओगे जो आपके लिए क्या होगा, पुराने वाले माहौल से ये नए माहौल में बिल्कुल अलग होगा. तो क्या ऐसा क्यों होता है, क्योंकि जोग्राफिकल चेंजेस होते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ द जोग्राफिकल चेंजेस द एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो अफेक्ट्स. सपोज़ आप सी साइड में अगर रहते हो तो वहाँ का वेदर, उसकी कंडीशन, उसकी फूडिंग, वेयरिंग सब अलग होती है. किस जगह से, जैसे माउंटेन एरिया से. आप माउंटेन एरियाज़ में जाओगे तो वहाँ का रहना, खाना पीना हर चीज़ अलग होगी. एंड इन अ साइड ऑफ सी साइड, अगर आप सी साइड पे रह रहे हो तो वहाँ की क्लोथिंग, फूडिंग, रिलीजन, कल्चर हर चीज़ एक दूसरे से क्या होगी, डिफरेंट होगी. नाउ through a table I will clear this topic. Suppose you are different ways in which people pray. अलग अलग तरीके से प्रे की जाती है, लाइक थ्रू सिंगिंग अ हाइम्स, और थ्रू वर्शिप आइडल्स ऑफ गॉडेस और गॉड, और थ्रू नमाज. जैसे कि डिफरेंट वेज इन विच पीपल गेट मैरिड. एक होता है थ्रू अरेंज मैरिज एंड सेलिब्रेशन. सेकेंड होता है थ्रू सिंगिंग अ रजिस्टर इन द कोर्ट, और through signing a register in the court, और थर्ड थ्रू लव मैरिज इन टेम्पल. शादी के भी 3 अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं. थर्ड वन, डिफरेंट वेज इन विच पीपल ड्रेस, लाइक in UP women's are wearing sari, in Punjab women's are wearing kurta and salwar, in Manipur peoples are wearing finik. Fourth one condition, different ways in which people greet each other, like by saying namaste. Second, in Jharkhand many adversaries say Johar to greet each other, or third by saying Sat Shri Akal. Fifth condition, different ways in which people cook rice. Okay, so first condition, by making biryani with meat and vegetables, or second condition by making plow, or by making idli. अब देखो राइस को ही 3 अलग अलग स्टेट्स में अलग अलग तरीक़ों से बनाया गया है, या फिर ग्रीट करने का तरीका 3 अलग अलग तरीके से अलग अलग जगहों पर किया जाता है, या फिर ड्रेस सेंस अलग अलग जगहों पे सबका अलग अलग रहता है. शादी का कल्चर हर किसी का अलग अलग होता है. प्रे करने का कल्चर अलग अलग होता है. ठीक है. नाउ विथ दिस एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको 2 स्टेट्स का एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. फर्स्ट वन इज़ पंजाब एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ वेस्ट बंगाल. बाय दिस यू विल क्लियर दिस टॉपिक मोर. नाउ सी, इन दिस पंजाब दे आर हार्वेस्टिंग क्रॉप्स, they are loading goods in trucks, they are growing crops. Okay, they are worshipping Guru Sahib, and they are celebrating Lodi. Now if we will talk about West Bengal, they are eating fish, they are wearing silk sari, they are worshipping Lord, means goddess Durga. Okay, so I told you 2 states where there they have a different means clothing sense, fooding sense, culture or festivals, they all have a different from each other. By this you will get a topic clear, and in our next video I'll clear this topic more by giving this example of Ladakh and Kerala, means how they both states are different from each other. Till then, bye bye, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.